to about 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock. Bring both arms up and perform a double Alden block. Ideally, you're blocking with your partner's elbow between the two forearms. Once you're here, strike the rib with the front elbow, the nose with the back fist with the same hand. Shift out your body to create an angle. Then come down on a hammer fist, strike to the groin. Hup! An alternative way to do this technique off of a lead hand punch would be as follows. My attacker throws a jab. So I would take the same approach and bypass it by coming in. Once I'm here, the ribs still remain the same. Face is there. As I shift out, I would now have to go either to the stomach or the groin from a different angle. Rather than upward, I will come down and around to make that strike work. Hup! Hup! Slide your left foot to about 10 o'clock. Perform an inside block with your right hand. Left hand punch to the ribs, right to the face. Once you're there, drop that hand on the back of the shoulder. Join your right hand with your left hand and bring the partners down. While you're doing so, bring up your knee and strike to the stomach or the ribs. Hup! Another way to perform this technique off of an attacker lead hand or a left hand strike in this case would be as follows. We'll still step the same way. Block the same. 1, 2, catch, but now we'll alternate and use our other knee to make the strike.